Hello everybody, Kia ora from New Zealand. It's Davy's Loft here. She's blowing a real doozer. Around 35 kilometers an hour. It's about 60 mile an hour winds at the moment, blowing from the west. This is my west coast over here. The loft is facing north. Down there is south, and over there is east. Righto, well, I'm going to let the birds out for a bit of a fly. They're really used to this weather anyway. Have a bit of a fly around. It's good for them. Come on. Yep, strong birds in New Zealand, mate, I tell you. No mucking around here. See what happens. Yes, everyone's been eating well. Very good. Nice and dry, and a lot of rain. Well, been talking to some guys about getting into some racing, and they were saying I have to get my birds inoculated for canker and coccidiosis and all that sort of carry on. I've never had any problems with my birds. Never had any illness whatsoever, but I live in the country, so the birds are getting natural feed, they're getting natural supplements from the ground, from the earth, what they're gathering. I'm close to the sea as well, so they're getting minerals from, a few of them have come back with muddy feet from the harbour. So I know they've been delving into the seawater. Yes, what a marvellous day. I make the little buggers work. That's what I do, make them work. Hopefully you're going to have a toss soon. I'll take you down the east coast of the North Island. And it's about 116 kilometres, something like that. It's nice to see everyone's videos, especially there's the little loft videos, there's Frank's videos, McLaughlin lofts, very, very good. I'm not much of a gabber, I just get on straight with it, you know what I mean? But when it comes to the day, when it comes on the day, I'll be racing these birds finally. Very good. Well, I'll catch up with you. Keep on watching. Come up with something a bit more, and I was wanting to get the birds out and show you their condition. I've got a few cockbirds which are in molt. I've got some young birds which are coming through really nicely, and there's some real bloody crackers. There's a couple of real good crackers I've got there which are perfect. They're absolutely perfect birds. I'd say they'd be, well, mid-range. They'd be mid-range to fast flying. The cockbirds are a lot heavier, though they're still buoyant. They're quite heavily boned. So I use those from a long distance just bring them a bit lighter. But I find that the stamina of the bird is good. You've got to build stamina in the birds. In this type of weather, especially with the wind, and they're coming into a headwind, that's when you start building stamina in the birds. Anyway, all very good. Thank you very much for watching. I'll get back to you and show you what my birds are about. Good-o.